The pirates are randomly dispersed among themselves, and the rope is placed on the boat while the flag is lowered, making it no longer visible.
This is the spindle fibers forming and the nucleolus disappearing.
The pirates gather within the center of the deck.
This represents the homologous pairs lining along the metaphase plate.
Then, they align the rope by pulling it towards the middle from the same starting point located at the edge of the boat.
This is the spindle fibers lining up from the pole to the homologous pairs in the center.
Once the pirates attach the rope in the center of the boat, they quickly retreat back to the edge to overlook the seas.
This represents the spindle fibers pulling the homologous pairs away from each other towards opposite poles.
A huge wave hits, causing the boat to split into two. The pirates of each boat raise their flag in hopes of rescue.
This is an example of a cell splitting into two haploid cells and the nucleolus and the nuclear envelope reappearing.
Once they realize no one is there to rescue them, they lower their flag. The pirates wander the boat looking for supplies to keep them safe. They find rope and form an unorganized pile.
This represents the spindle fibers forming and the nucleolus and nuclear envelope disappearing.
They see a shark fin and get scared, causing them to run to the center of the boat in an orderly fashion.
The candy corns represent the homologous pairs lining up in the middle of the metaphase plate.
Out of fear of losing their supplies, they tie the ends of the rope to the railing of the ship and pull the opposite ends to the center with them.
The rope represents the spindle fibers aligning up between the homologous pairs and the poles.
After tying the ropes to the center, they run to the edge of the boat to keep watch of the shark they saw earlier.
This represents the homologous chromosomes being pulled away from one another towards opposite poles by the non-kinetic or spindle fibers.
As soon as they reach the edge, they see the shark emerge from the water and bite the ship in half, once again into two separate boats.
In reality, this creates two unidentical haploid cells, or gametes. However, this process is performed twice, creating a total of 4 haploid cells that are gametes at the end of meiosis II. Three things that are unique to the process of meiosis that do not occur in mitosis is the crossing over of homologous pairs during prophase 1, independent assortment in metaphase 1, and the homologous pairs separating in anaphase 1.